Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're looking at the Amazon stock, Amazon, and doing a comprehensive analysis based on current news and the chart data. Looking at recent news, we can see that Amazon is poised for a long-term rally according to TipRanks. This is driven by growth in several segments, particularly their robust e-commerce business, the ever-expanding cloud computing sector known as AWS, and the substantial growth of their online advertising revenue. In fact, AWS revenue grew by 19% year-over-year in the second quarter of 2024, which is a very impressive number considering that it was higher than the previous quarters. Amazon's advertising revenue is also experiencing significant growth, hitting $12.8 billion in the second quarter, which is a 20% increase year-over-year. These numbers certainly suggest a strong position for Amazon in the market and seem to be driving the bullish sentiment. Let's see how this translates to the chart data, starting with the daily chart. If we look at the daily chart, we can see a clear upward trend since the beginning of 2024. There was a strong surge in August, with a sharp rise in price from around $130 to $180. This surge in price correlates with the news about Amazon's continued growth in their core segments, particularly AWS and online advertising. We can see a breakout at the $145 level, which previously acted as resistance. This suggests that the bullish sentiment is strong and that the bulls are taking control of the price action. However, we also see a slight pullback in September, with the price dropping below the $145 level. This could be due to profit-taking from investors who rode the recent surge in price. This pullback could be a healthy correction, or it could be a sign of a larger bearish trend. To get a clearer picture of the short-term trends, we'll switch to the hourly chart. Looking at the hourly chart, we can see that the recent pullback has been quite sharp. The price has dropped below the $140 level, which previously acted as support. This suggests that the bears are gaining momentum in the short term. However, it's important to note that the price has found support at the $135 level and has been bouncing back up. This suggests that the bulls are still fighting to maintain the upward trend. We'll zoom in on the past 24 hours to see if we can identify any key price levels for the short term. Here we can see that the price has been consolidating between the $135 and $140 levels. This suggests that there's a tug-of-war between the bulls and the bears, and the price is likely to remain in this range for the next few hours. A break above the $140 level would suggest that the bulls have regained control and the price is likely to move higher. Conversely, a break below the $135 level would suggest that the bears are in control and the price is likely to move lower. To understand the potential for a short-term reversal, we'll switch to the 15-minute chart. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see that the price is bouncing back up from the $135 level. This suggests that the bulls are still fighting for control, and the price is likely to remain in this range for the next few minutes or hours. However, the price is also approaching the $140 level, which previously acted as support. A break above this level would signal a short-term reversal and a potential move higher. However, if the price fails to break through the $140 level, it could signal a continuation of the bearish trend. To sum up, we've seen a strong upward trend in Amazon since the start of the year. This has been driven by strong growth in Amazon's various segments, particularly their e-commerce, cloud computing, and advertising businesses. We saw a breakout at the $145 level, which previously acted as resistance. However, the price has been pulling back in September, suggesting a potential bearish trend. The hourly chart suggests that the bears are in control in the short term. However, the price has found support at the $135 level and has been bouncing back up. A break above the $140 level would suggest a short-term bullish reversal. On the 15-minute chart, we see the price bouncing back up from the $135 level. A break above the $140 level on the 15-minute chart would also signal a short-term bullish reversal. The key price levels to watch are $135, $140, and $145. A break above the $145 level would reinforce the bullish trend and suggest a move higher. However, a break below the $135 level would suggest a continuation of the bearish trend. It's important to watch for any news or events that could impact Amazon's business, such as changes in their earnings reports or any announcements about new products or services. These events could significantly impact the price action of Amazon. Remember, this analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.